Sige.
Sige. Joy, mayayap na ka niyan.
Alright.
Okay po, Taren, hindi ka naman kandila ka nung ngayon.
Oh, tapos itong 18 candles na nandito, i-blow mo din.
Para sa'yo lahat yun.
Alright. Okay, let's say, not yet. Okay, one more. Alright, cheers! Drink, guys! Happy birthday, Joy! You have to drink it. Hindi matutupad yung wish ni Joy. You can blow the candles now, ladies. Alright. Shot! Right!
Alright.
Thank you. Thank you. And now, a round of applause naman po dyan. Malakpakan naman. Parang masyado tayong nabusog sa dinner natin at hindi tayo makagalaw.
Jude!
Alright. So, Joy?
What a move!
Ay. Ay. Video yun.
Alright.
Tingwa kita pa mag-blow mo eh.
Ay, ganun. Pwede kita po yung gusto sa likod.
Ay, hindi.
Okay. I